Next one is on a kneel. You're gonna pick one foot forward, back foot, knee in the column, front foot in the column, left column, right column. You can tuck or untuck the back toe. You're gonna turn your chest towards the front side, take the knee back where it's behind the ankle, thumbs at the base of the rib cage, pinkies at the top of the hip bone. Take a breath. Close the elbows towards the body, drive the hands forward, hip back, hands tall, deep breath. Three breaths. My head, my chest, my hands are all in the left column, front foot. Switch to the other side. Foot straight, heel up. Think with the pelvis, turn, thumbs, pinkies, elbows. Breath, palms. Drive the hands forward. Hands come up, hip goes back. Chest into the column. Eyes up. Come back to center, boom. Great work. Next set. Left foot forward. Gonna decompress the knee by taking the pressure back. Hand can come in to the board, left hand to the outside of the hip. Open that hip. Lengthen the back of the knee. Hold it. Push through the right hand to turn the chest. Look at the back heel. Hand behind the head. Close, back to center, other side. Straight foot, heel up, left hand down, hip back, deep breath. Hip back, hand behind the head, open. Come back to center. Woo, good. Last set, calf raise. Left foot forward, heel up, butt back, hands on the hips, or hand on the knee, hand on the outside of the hip. Calf raise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom, back to center, switch to the other side. Left hand down, right foot forward, heel up. Hands, knee, hands, hip, thigh, shin, open. Calf raise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great for the arch, great for the calves, great for the hip.